How to fix camera not working. So if you want to fix camera not working, then what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold on to your camera application, go with app info, and now you need to go with permissions. And under permissions, make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions, which is camera, location, microphone, and you can also go with nearby devices, and you can allow all of the permissions. Once you've allowed the app permissions, go with storage and cache, go with clear cache, and also go with clear storage and delete. Once you've deleted the storage and cache, now you just need to simply go back, remove that from your background, and you need to restart your device. And after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, and after that you need to open up your settings and go with system. Under system you may have the system apps, but if you don't have the system apps under your system, then you just need to simply go with apps, tap on see all apps, go with the upper right which has that 3 dots, tap on show system app, and now you just need to simply go and search for camera, and under that you will have an option of restore to defaults. So you just need to simply go and tap on restore to defaults, and once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. So once you've done all of these, just restart your device, and that's it. That's how you can fix your camera not working problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.